Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a knot that I use, and this is for tying fluorocarbon for a leader onto braid. I use Finn's 40G braid. That's my favorite braid to use, and I like Cigar for my leader line. So what I do is I put a loop in both lines like that, cross them over, go 1, 2, 3, and on the other one I do the same thing. I wrap it 1, 2, 3. I take my braid, run it through the loop of the fluorocarbon, always wet it, and cinch it down. And that is an incredibly strong knot, as you can see. Then I just take, don't use your teeth, use your scissors, and I trim the tag ends. And this has come to be one of my favorite knots. It goes through the micro guides really well, and seems to be a pretty durable and strong knot. But there you go, there's it trimmed up. And it's a phenomenal knot. I really like it.